Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another nail art haul for you guys, and this is another 2-in-1 video, but this is just on Shein and nail art supplies. And then I'm going to be showing you with one of the press-ons that I purchased through Shein for only $2. I'm going to be showing you how I make them look very beautiful. So here I'm starting off with some stamping plates that I purchased through Shein, and I thought they're really beautiful, really cute, and they're only $1. And this one is full of kittens and cats. And as you guys, I don't think I told anyone, but I do have a kitten and I also have a dog. I recently got a kitten like a month ago, and I just wanted to give my dog a companion. And I honestly wanted the best of both worlds. I wanted to see what it'd be like to have a cat and a dog, and I absolutely love it. So here next we're moving on to these different size gummy bears, and they're iridescent. They're pink iridescent, and they're so beautiful. And I just love how they have the different variety of sizes. I think it's so cute, like the little tiny ones. So I definitely recommend anyone to go check out Shein. Absolutely so affordable. They have such great things there, and you can get discounts and everything. It's just a very affordable and definitely one of my favorite places to shop for nail art. And they have a variety of like everything. They have clothes, but I solely usually just buy nail art supplies there. So here next we're moving on to these rhinestones, and these crystal clear ones are so beautiful, and I absolutely love these. They throw off like an iridescent type of tint, but depending on the angle, that's what it will look like. They're so pretty. So here I'm just showing you more up close, and I'm sorry about the lighting in this new setup. My lighting actually has always been bad, but I think it has to do a lot with my apartment. It's just like the theme is very dark, so it's just hard to get good lighting, but I'm just trying my best to. But I absolutely love these rhinestones. I thought they're really pretty, and they're just different sizes, and you can just never go wrong with some rhinestones. So next here I have a variety of different types of nail art stickers that I picked up through Shein as well. So I'm just going to be showing you these stickers that I got, and I absolutely love the variety of sticker options, foil options. Their foils, by the way, are only $2.50. Some are even $1.50. I think the most that I've seen is like $3 or $3.50, and you get a foil box with 10 foils in them, and I just think it's an unbeatable price. They have a bunch of embellishments, rhinestones, and what I love is that they're constantly updating their stuff. So definitely they are they're just always updating their things. So it's not like, oh, the same stuff is going to be there for a while. No, like they're very consistent with just making sure they bring out new product, and I absolutely love that, because I think I made a big purchase maybe around July something, maybe like a week ago, or about to be a week ago, and I just went on yesterday, and I have a bunch more things in my cart now because they just added a bunch more things. So it's like a never ending with Shein. It's actually pretty bad. You get really addicted to those things, and it's like, I don't know, it's just crazy. And then on Amazon today, I just purchased a bunch of things like stickers, like sticker packs. I just ordered a lot of things to show and share with you guys if you're interested, because you know what, let's admit, usually if you buy stickers anywhere, they are on the pricier side, like anywhere between $5 or more just for one sheet. So yeah, so if I could find things in a different place like Shein, AliExpress, or Amazon for a better price, then I'm gonna obviously get it. So yeah, I'm definitely a believer in not spending a lot of money on nail art. I feel like, I don't know, I just don't like to spend a lot of money on it. I'm not gonna say that in the future I'm not gonna buy things that are gonna be a little bit pricier that I want, but that it's gonna be like my whole collection, it's gonna be expensive. And no, I like to keep it in a sense where a lot of people can purchase it. I don't want to show just expensive products that many people either don't want to purchase or can't, so that is why if I do have things that are a little bit on the pricier side, I don't even really mention it, or I don't show it in my house. Like, for example, my red iguana hand, I didn't show that in a haul or anything because I know a lot of people don't want to buy it or can't because it is overpriced. Well, in my opinion, it's actually overpriced. And it's something that I wouldn't have purchased if I could go back, just because first of all I don't even use it, and then second of all it's literally like a lint catcher. Like, it is just full of every dust particle that you could possibly think of. It's super annoying. And yeah, I just think it's way overpriced, and there's a lot of amazing dupes through AliExpress that are only like 50 bucks or 60. And I am getting out of topic, and I'm so sorry for that, but I just wanted to mention that because I know a lot of people rave about it, but the truth is it's a very high maintenance hand. You gotta like take good care of it, make sure that you don't ruin like the sockets. Very, very tedious. I just choose not to use it, to be honest. So I hope you guys are enjoying these nail art stickers here. I think they're very beautiful, and even though the other ones that I just showed before this one look third dimensional, they're actually not. So lastly, I'm just showing you this sheet of butterflies, and this was only $1, so I said, oh, why not? So I thought this was a very nice variety of different nail art stickers. So next we're moving on to the swatch sticks, and these are just square swatch sticks, and they're just like, I'd say medium length swatch sticks. I wouldn't say short, but they do look small. But I got these, and they also come with a ring if you want to place them in there. And the reason why I got these in particular was because sometimes if I have to do like dip powder or something, I'd rather just use those. Next, we're moving on to these fabulous press-on nails that were only like $2, and they're so pretty. These are French, and they are in pink, and they're so cute. I absolutely love this design, and it's a great canvas to add whatever you like to it. And it also comes with a miniature nail file along with these sticky tabs, and those sticky tabs, I had never used them before, and I used them for this video, you guys will see, and wow, those are very strong. I did not expect that. So here I'm just showing you, I'm actually organizing them really quickly, and then I'm going to be showing you what they look like up close, and then placing them on my nail for you to get an idea of what they look like. And I believe this brings 24 nails in total. So that is what I am doing here. And this is what they look like, and I think they're very pretty, and I love the shape and everything. It looks really nice. These are a long coffin. So thank you guys so much for watching the haul portion of this video. Now we're moving on to the nail set. So thank you so much if you're still here and watching. You're absolutely amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys so much. And next here, I am just showing you the materials that I showed in the Shein haul. Some of the materials that I'm going to be using. And I'm also just going in with my e-file, and I'm just going in with my drill, and I am just buffing out the nail, and I'm just cleaning them up a bit because my nails have been looking very bad, and I know they have been looking really horribly. But it's like after a while of just doing your nails for so long, your nails just start to like decay. Like, it's crazy. I've been filming content for a year, and I look at my nails and I'm like, wow, my nails look so terrible. But I know that is normal, so that's why I haven't done any nail sets in a while on myself, because I just want to let my nails breathe and feel free and just let them be for a while. And then I'll definitely start putting my nail sets on, because it does take a toll. Anything that you're placing on that is not supposed to, not that it's not supposed to be there, but anything that you put on top of anything, after a while it's just gonna start, you know, becoming weak. So I'm just trying to let them breathe and let them get a little bit more strength. And then I'm going to continue doing, you know, putting on my sets, because I definitely miss having my nails on. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. And this is an amazing nail drill. It's a professional nail drill by the brand Delani, and it's only $59.99. And I definitely recommend it, just because for the price, I think it's really good, because I know nail drills go up to $300-400. So for $60, I thought it was really good. You can get this through Amazon, but I don't have a code for them, but I definitely recommend them. So this is what the nails look like right after. You could have used a nail file or a buffer. I just decided to use the drill because I also wanted to fix around my cuticle area. I was looking real crusty. So here I'm just sizing out the nails to my liking, not to my liking, to what fits the best. So that is what I'm doing here, and then I'm gonna move on to placing these nails onto a nail stand because I prefer to work on a nail stand. I feel like that is what works best for me, and it's just easier to work with a nail stand. So that's what you guys are going to see me do here. But before placing them on the nail stand, I will be using the nail file it came with to remove the little tabs on the free edge of the nails. So now I'm just going to start placing the butterflies where I like, and then after I am done, I'm going to begin to apply some top coat on the nails that I didn't apply butterflies on as an adhesive for my rhinestone placement. And after that, I will be going in with some top coat and just putting the top coat over the rest of the nails, curing it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds, and then showing you guys what they look like. And I hope you guys like the set. I thought it was really cute and very easy and very affordable as well. So the main reason behind me showing you how you can enhance press-on nails is just to show you that you don't need to spend a lot of money to have beautiful nails, to create beautiful nails. This set in total probably cost, with the nails being $2, the stickers being $1, and the rhinestones at most $2. You literally just spent maybe $5 on the nails, something like that. And I just want to let you guys know that it could be very affordable. You could always go to the Dollar Tree. You know, it's all about practice at the end of the day. It's not about buying the most expensive things. If you can, or if you want to, that's fine. But if you don't want to, it doesn't really matter, because you could literally go to the Dollar Tree and do amazing nails. You know what I mean? You don't have to spend all this money. And also you could order through Shein if you desire and make really pretty press-ons and just enhance them to your liking. You can do whatever you like on a budget if you desire to. So that is why I wanted to show this in particular, just to let you guys know that you don't have to spend a lot of money. If you don't want to, and you don't have to spend a lot more money going to a nail salon if you don't feel like it either. You can do it all at the comfort of your home for a really great price. Because then again, like I always like to mention, I like to show things that a lot of people can purchase that is affordable and that is in everyone's budget. So let me know what you guys thought on today's video. What were your favorite items or item from the nail haul? And if you like the nail set, let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. I always appreciate the comments, the love, and all the support. You guys are absolutely amazing. So let me know down below what you guys thought, if you liked it or not. if you're willing to try it. And also guys, if you ever recreate any sets or you do nails, let me know and tag me either on Instagram or send it through DM through Instagram for I can repost it on my story. I love seeing what you guys come up with and what you guys create. I definitely love sharing that on my Instagram story. So just in case you didn't know, you could always do so if you'd like. So yeah guys, we're almost coming to an end of this video. After I'm done doing this rhinestone placement, I'm just gonna go in with some top coat, place top coat on the rest of the nails, cure it, and then I'm gonna go in with the sticky tabs, apply them on, and then we're gonna place the nails on and you guys will see the final results. So these are what the nails turned out like. I think they're absolutely so pretty and so cute and very easy to do, very achievable. So now I'm just going in and applying the nails on after I removed the tab from the sticky tabs, and I'm just placing them on here. And next I'm just gonna apply some cuticle oil, and that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, for all the love and support. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to let me know that you guys enjoyed, along with hitting that notification bell just to get notified every single time I upload. So thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Till next time.